Hey, let's make the knob socket head cap screw drawing. We're going to do a new part, a new drawing. I'm going to use the new Trier A size template because this is just a little screw and this is a smaller sheet. So you can see that the field text is a little bit different. Sheet of sheet. So there's only one sheet. We're not going to take up more than one sheet for this drawing. Date today is 9/17/2015. Not sure what the scale is yet. IED period whatever. Okay. This is saying, I'm not sure what that says, but I think it'll work anyway. Okay, so I'm going to take I'm going to make a new base view. I'm going to find the knob socket head cap screw. And looks like that's a little small, so I'm going to change the scale to 2. Maybe we can even go to 4. I think we can go to 4. Then we'll say OK. And I also want to make a projected view so I can see the front of the screw. And we'll say create. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and add the lengths. So I'll go to annotate, go to dimension. Let's get the overall length in there. And let's get the length of the head. We also want to tell it what kind of thread this is, so we can probably just click hole in thread and click right there. If we really wanted to line this up, it would look a little bit better. Okay. We also need the diameter of the head, so we'll click there, and then we'll get the diameter of the head there. Maybe we'll line it up to make it look really nice. We also need the width across the flats. So we can take our dimension tool, we can zoom in a little bit here, go from here to here, and we can say, I don't really like how that looks, so I'm going to escape out of there. I'm going to go from here to here, those 2 points. And I'm going to drag this down. And I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to say width across flats. And I think actually there was a little bit more precision on that dimension, so it's going to look like that. Okay, the next thing we want to do is a breakout section so we can see how deep this feature goes. You never want to put a dimension onto a hidden line. So what we have to do is make a breakout view. First thing we're going to do that, we got to go to Sketch. We have to sketch where the breakout view is going to be. So we're going to say Start Sketch. We have to click then on this view, and then we can start sketching. I'm going to see if I can find a spline. Spline is my favorite because you can kind of make it kind of a squiggly shape, or I should say a curvy shape. So I think it just kind of looks a little bit better. Then you can say Finish Sketch. Then we're going to go back to Place Views, and you're going to find Breakout. Notice down here at the bottom left, it tells you what you need to do. It always does. It says Select a View, so we're going to select that view. And it found the only sketch there, so it knows it's going to create a breakout view that's that shape. Now the depth, if we can find the center of the screw, we can cut that far in. So you just click that center and you're good. Say OK. Now notice that part of the part is cut away so we can actually see these real lines here. And we can go to dimension and get the depth of that feature there. And I would say the drawing looks pretty good.